Humanoid robots are no longer science fiction. They are here. They walk, they talk, they learn. Some are building our cars, others are stocking our warehouses. Soon, they may teach our children, care for the elderly, and even become part of our daily lives. But what happens when machines become more capable than us, more intelligent, more independent? Therefore, we must ask ourselves, are humanoid robots the beginning of a golden age, or the first step towards humanity's downfall? The Industrial Revolution 2.0, the rise of the humanoids. Technology has always pushed us forward. The steam engine replaced the horse, the automobile replaced the carriage, computers replaced typewriters. But now, humanoid robots aren't just replacing tools, they are replacing workers. Industries are facing a turning point. Companies like Figure AI, Boston Dynamics, and Tesla promise that humanoid robots will handle dangerous and repetitive jobs. But if robots take over physical labor, where does that leave millions of human workers? We must ask, are we on the brink of mass unemployment, or will new jobs emerge, just as they always have? Humanoid robots in our daily lives, assistants or replacements. Imagine waking up to a humanoid robot making your breakfast. It loads your dishwasher, it picks up the kids from school, washes your clothes, it reminds you to take your medication. But what happens when we no longer need human caregivers, or teachers, or companions? Society may grow increasingly dependent on robots, not just for work, but for emotional support. Children raised with robotic nannies, will they bond with machines more than people? But while some fear a cold, robotic world, others argue that humanoids will enhance our relationships, not replace them. They'll handle the tedious tasks, giving us more time to connect as humans. Unitree Robotics, a Chinese robotics company, specializes in quadrupedal robots and advanced AI-driven mobility. Known for their affordability and agility, Unitree's robots are often compared to Boston Dynamics, but are more accessible to a wider market. The company has recently expanded into humanoid robots, showcasing early prototypes with dynamic movement capabilities. Their human robots aim to be cost-effective solutions for industrial and consumer applications. Just look at how fast they can run, move, dance, jump, and look how many they have in this dancing routine. Let's just hope these robots are used for good and not bad. Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, is central to Elon Musk's vision of an AI-powered future, designed to take on dangerous, repetitive, and mundane tasks. Optimus leverages Tesla's expertise in AI and self-driving technology. The company is currently testing the robot in its own facilities, with Musk predicting that thousands of Optimus units could be deployed within Tesla's facilities. Tesla claims that Optimus could one day surpass the car division in value, potentially becoming a trillion-dollar industry on its own. Robots in the house could be more common than cars. Figure AI. Founded in 2002, Figure AI is a fast-growing robotics company, developing Figure 01 and Figure 02, and soon to be Figure 03, a humanoid robot aimed at workforce automation. The company has secured significant investments from major players, including Microsoft and OpenAI. They recently just left OpenAI so they can develop their own software with more control and less meddling, positioning itself as a leader in AI-powered robotics. Figure AI's focus is on commercial applications, targeting logistics, manufacturing, and warehouse operations. Here you can see the robots working at the BMW factory. Their robots are designed to learn tasks autonomously, reducing programming complexity and increasing real-world adaptability. Clone Robotics. This one's interesting. Clone Robotics is working on developing lifelike humanoid robots with a focus on realistic human hands. The company believes that Dexterous robotic hands are a crucial step towards full humanoid functionality. Their latest prototype features soft articulators and advanced AI-driven control systems, allowing for delicate object manipulation. Clone Robotics' long-term goal is to create a humanoid robot that can perform tasks with human-like precision, making them a key player in the field of robotics. Boston Dynamics, a pioneer in robotics, is best known for the Atlas, its highly agile humanoid robot. The company has led the industry in advanced robotic movement, with Atlas demonstrating parkour and dynamic object manipulation. While their robot is still primarily used for for research and defense applications, Boston Dynamics is actively exploring commercial opportunities, particularly in logistics and warehouse automation. Despite significant advancements, widespread deployment of Atlas in the workforce remains a challenge due to cost and complexity. 1X Technologies. Norwegian robotics company 1X Technologies is developing Neo, a humanoid robot designed for practical real-world tasks. The company, backed by OpenAI, focuses on making its robots highly adaptable through advanced AI integration. Unlike many competitors, 1X emphasizes human-robot collaboration, aiming to create robots that assist rather than replace human workers. Their robots are currently being tested in security, elderly care, and industrial environments. Magic Lab is a robotics company exploring AI-driven humanoid and companion robots. Their focus is on making robots that are more human-like in interaction. With an emphasis on emotional intelligence and lifelike movement, Magic Lab is currently working on robots that can engage in social settings, such as customer service and personal assistance. While their technology is still in development, their goal is to bridge the gap between human and machine interaction. Humanoid robots are more than just machines that mimic human form. They are feats of engineering, combining motors, actuators, artificial muscles, sensors, and AI to interact with the world. But how do they actually move, see, and communicate? Movement, the art of human-like motion. At the core of the humanoid robot's movement are articulators and motors that function like muscles and joints. Traditional robots rely on electric, hydraulic, or pneumatic actuators, which convert energy into motion. However, companies like Clone Robotics are taking this further. Clone Robotics' artificial muscles, unlike traditional servos and motors, Clone Robotics has developed fluid-filled artificial muscles that expand and contract like real human muscles. These muscles offer a level of flexibility and dexterity that traditional robotic limbs struggle to achieve. Instead of rigid mechanical movements, their robots can move with more natural organic motion, making them better suited for complex tasks like grasping objects, handling tools, or even shaking hands. But with innovation comes challenges. Artificial muscles require precise pressure control, and ensuring long-term durability remains a significant hurdle. However, competition between companies like Unitree, Tesla, Figure AI, and Boston Dynamics is accelerating breakthroughs in robotics. Vision and interaction, how robots see the world. Humanoid robots must see, interpret, and respond to their surroundings. This is made possible by Lidar and depth cameras used for spatial awareness, allowing robots to map environments and avoid obstacles. Computer vision and AI. Advanced software helps humanoids recognize objects, read facial expressions, and even detect emotions in human faces. Neural networks. These allow robots to identify patterns and make decisions and learn from experience. Boston Dynamics' Atlas and Tesla's Optimus use deep learning to improve their balance and coordination. By teaching robots how to handle unexpected changes in their environment, like a sudden push or a slippery floor, is still an ongoing challenge. Speech and comprehension, talking like us. For humanoid robots to be truly useful, they must understand and respond to human speech. Speak recognition AI allows them to process spoken words. Large language models like ChatGPT help them hold conversations, answer questions, and even guidance in industries like education and healthcare. Text-to-speech synthesis gives them realistic voices. Some companies like 1X Technologies are working on robots with more expressive vocal tones, making conversations feel more natural. However, true comprehension is still a challenge. Robots can respond in a conversational manner, but do they really understand what we're saying? AI can generate smart-sounding responses, but achieving real-world context awareness, like understanding sarcasm, humor, or social norms, is still a work in progress. The fast-paced race for innovation. With so many companies competing, progress is happening at an unprecedented speed. Tesla's Optimus is designed for mass production, aiming to replace human labor in factories. Figure AI is focusing on creating a humanoid robot that can perform general tasks in any environment. Magic Lab is pushing advancements in robotic dexterity and hand articulation to improve fine motor skills. The result? Faster breakthroughs, better designs, and a future where humanoid robots aren't just assistants, but essential parts of our daily lives. Artificial intelligence, friend or foe? Humanoid robots are nothing without artificial intelligence. AI allows them to think, learn and adapt, but AI is unpredictable. It learns faster than we do. It makes decisions on its own. The question is no longer if AI will surpass human intelligence, but when. Will humanoids become our loyal servants, or will they develop desires, goals, perhaps even independence? Therefore, governments and tech leaders are racing to put ethical safeguards in place. Because if AI-controlled humanoids ever go rogue, how do you stop something smarter than you? The threat of AI and weaponizations. Could robots be used for war? Technology has always been a double-edged sword. The internet connects the world, but it also spreads misinformation. Nuclear power provides clean energy, but it also created the atomic bomb. But what happens when humanoid robots become militarized? Some fear that nations will develop robotic soldiers, fighters that don't eat, don't sleep, and don't hesitate to pull the trigger. What about China? Could they be building a robot army capable of global dominance? Some reports suggest China is rapidly advancing in AI and military robots, but so are the United States and other global superpowers. Therefore, a new kind of arms race has begun. Not nuclear, not cyber, but a war of autonomous machines. A future of hope. How humanoid robots can make life better. But despite the fears, despite the uncertainties, there is hope. If we guide AI with the responsibility, humanoid robots could revolutionize life for the better. They could perform surgeries with perfect precision. They could assist the disabled, giving mobility to those who cannot walk. They could explore the deepest oceans, the farthest planets, places humans cannot survive. Humanoid robots won't destroy us unless we allow them to. The future is not about choosing between humans or machines. It's about humans and machines working together to build the world beyond imagination. Humanoid robots are coming. They will change industries. They will change our homes. They will change us. But whether they bring prosperity or destruction, that choice is ours. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.